Hi you guys, and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple and easy pound cake. So if you want to see how, just stay tuned.
Sift together 1 1/2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything all together, and then we're going to move on to making our batter. To a large bowl, you're going to add 2 sticks of butter at room temperature. Then you're going to add your 1 cup of sugar, and you're just going to mix them all together. So butter is slightly softened, and it makes it easy to mix the sugar with. So this is how yours should look. In another bowl, we're going to grab 5 eggs, and we're going to crack them. Then we're going to pour them one by one into the mixture of the butter and sugar. Now slowly incorporate your flour mixture that we did earlier. Take your time and mix this batter all together. Once you're done incorporating the flour, now you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix that in. Now butter your pan and add parchment paper. Then a little bit more butter. I'm using melted butter just so that the cake won't stick to the pan. Then use a small amount of your pound cake mixture and wrap it in place just to even out everything and throw it in the oven. Allow cake to cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and then when it's cool, you can just flip it out of the container. At this point, you can add a glaze. I'm going to show you guys a quick glaze that I like to do for this cake. Sift out 1 cup and a half a cup of powdered sugar. Add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of whipping cream, or you can add water if you like, and then a teaspoon of vanilla, and mix it all together. For a thinner glaze, just use more water or whipping cream and just pour it on top of your cake as soon as you're done, and just spread it all over the cake.
Look at this, you guys. Looks so good. Okay, so now we're going to try this cake. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe below. Again, I make new recipes every single week, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.